Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, no matter where you are in the world. This is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. Today is February 23rd, 2021, second day of the trading week of week number 7 of the year. So, the big news of this week is the market is correcting. NASDAQ was down big yesterday and it's still big today. Bitcoin has taken a big hit. If you take a quick look right here, Bitcoin touched 48,000 yesterday, and I think even this morning it may went even lower than this. I think it hit 40, 44, 45. I don't know what it was, but it impacts all these things that were super high flyers. Square is down, RK is down, Riot is down, Tesla is down. You see that Tesla actually dipped under 700 briefly, but the market looks like it's gaining a little strength. I don't know, are people buying the dip or there's people realizing overreaction? I don't know yet, but let me see what I need to do to manage my trades for today. So when markets turn on you, and if you have a cover call, there are many ways to roll. You can roll to the same expiration but lower the strike price so it's close to the market. Or in this case, I had it here. I can actually roll it up into the current week if I wanted to. The risk with doing that is then you would have to move this to the point where you're getting a net credit. And this makes no sense to roll to the current week to get rid of it at $23 when I paid $33 for it. So you want to be cautious there, even if you're trying to make money. Does it make sense to roll it to a 25 and it doesn't? You see that? You lose money. So there's a fine line between rolling to collect a net credit, but also because the reason why we do this is because you can roll each week for net credit as you're rolling the strike price up one bucket. You're moving it 50 cents up every week while you're trying to collect the net credit. And if you do that, you don't really care about the price that you paid or the current strike price that you're setting the option for. Normally, you have to be worried about early assignment. Normally, you have to worry if it's a dividend play and you got to worry about the X date. This one is not, so I don't have to worry, but I want to be cautious not to roll too close to $23. So here I'm trying to decide what I want to do. I don't know if I want to move it to March 12th. I don't know if I want to move it to maybe a $26 or 25 or 25.50. I'm just trying to debate that now, looking for the right combination. So here you're saying move it 1 week closer, moving it down, or do I want to move it 2 week closer? So I'm just playing around with it, and I'll decide real quick. So for this one, I think what I'm going to do is move it down 1 week, move it to a $26. I'll collect another. I'm looking between 22 and 35. So I'm going to start off at 27 and then move it down to 22, and we'll see if that goes. And the reason why I'm doing that is I still have to make sure each trade it's near my average profit margin, and I'm trying to shoot for over $15 profit per trade. So it does have to, you do have to take that into consideration as my trading matters, only because I'm tracking it on the spreadsheet for the whole internet to see. So there has to be a profit margin that I want to make per trade. So I don't want to go too low and collect 10 or 12 cents each trade. The go is let's try to collect as much as we can so that it brings up the average towards the end of the year. I got a long road ahead. I'm only on week 7. I got another 40 some odd weeks left of trading, and I want to try to show a profit at the end of this exercise for the year. MJ looked like it went across at 23. $23 is what it went across at. I'm just going to clean up these things here, and then I'm going to do my next trade. I did have to roll out Riot. Riot was very complex. I had to roll it out again, but that's okay. I still collected the net credit for the rolling out, and I just keep on rolling out until Riot sort of turns around. So Riot has been downtrending. It hit $77, and it's now 51. So if you look at this chart real quick, or at least the stock, it was $79 2 days ago or 3 days ago over here and up here, and now it's downtrending. So you want to be cautious. So I'm rolling out, collecting net credit still. Okay, what I ended up doing was I did just roll up FSLY. You see that? I had a June 110 cover call, but FSLY is trading at like 73 bucks, I think. So what I do is I move it closer to the market and I shorten the option contract. You see that? It's about $74. So I moved it up, collected the net premium. Same thing with marijuana stocks are doing really poorly. I tightened it up, rolled it closer, so I collect more premium. So that's what I'm doing right now. I think I'm almost done trading for today. So the Rocket was, I rolled out Rocket is a cash secure put that I have, and it was for March 5th, and I rolled it out 50 cents, and you see I collected a net of 15 or 16 cents. So I collected a net credit. I rolled it out one more week. If I did that right, let me just make sure. March 5th, I moved it out 2 weeks, okay? So that's 2 weeks. And then I rolled it down one strike price down from $20.50 to a $20, and I'm going to wait it out. So part of what you do in markets is you adjust your position and see what happens. The good thing is I have a lot of different positions, and so the key is as long as you manage all your positions in net, the goal is to make sure all of them averages a small profit. So we'll see how this week plays out. This could be a really a red week. I know a lot of traders are having a hard time. And again, let me just go back here before I end this video. Everything is down. Some of the bigger stuff are, high-tech stuff, marijuana stuff, Tesla's down. So there's a lot of people. QQQs are down. So if you're in these positions, you're definitely going to feel the market shifting or changing direction. So let me know what's happening. Please comment below. Let me know what you're doing. Let me know how you are handling the last week, whether if you suffer big losses or if you're a long-term investor. If you're a long-term investor, this may not matter. You can hang on there. Markets go up and down, and over time, that's just normal. With that being said, I'm going to bring this video to an end. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what's going on. Don't forget, let's do this together. Let's do this $1 at a time and have a profitable day. Bye-bye.